I'm excited to tell you a little bit more about my 2-day workshop, Hacking for Agile Change. Now, there's a lot going on at the moment, and there's a lot of compelling reasons why you need to do this. So if we have a look at what's going on in the external market, the speed of change is at the point now where change is the new normal. Change is going on all the time, and there's market demands for things to be done quicker and in shorter cycles. And that means that more projects are using agile methodologies. So as change practitioners, we need to understand our role in this agile world. And that means that we need to upskill our capability toolkit so we know what to do. So how do we do this, and what makes this particular workshop different to any other ones that are on the market? Okay, so there's a couple of things. Let's have a look. It takes a future forward view, and by doing that, it joins a lot of dots with the emerging skills that are now needed of the change practitioner. I'll give you an example or two. There's consideration to the emerging field of neuroscience, and there's also consideration to using the principles of design thinking in how we deliver change. So it takes a real future of work view in the content. So I'm able to join those dots and bring it all together in a very interactive environment and with relevant toolkits and ideas that you can apply straight away. So the core part, if you like, of this 2-day workshop is this triangular model that I've developed, okay? So it's called Defining Agile as a Capability. And when I define Agile as a capability, I see it as a mindset and a skill set. And in that model, I've got 3 layers, which are mindset, which is how we think; behaviours, which is what we actually, how we behave as a team; and then the practice, which is what do we need to actually do to deliver change in an agile world. Okay, now for an organisation to be agile, it needs to actually have boxes ticked in those 3 things. An organisation that brings in a Scrum Master to do an agile project is not ticking the box and being agile. It's about being agile, doing agile, and behaving agile and thinking agile. So we pull apart that model that I've developed, and we look at ways that we can develop capability in each of those segments. So that's mindset, behaviours and practice. And the other thing that makes it unique is I've developed this content. It's my IP. My book is going to be based on this content, and I'm also the one delivering it. So you're hearing it straight from the horse's mouth with real live examples of how I've used these things in organisations. Okay, so how is this done, right? It's highly interactive. The 2-day workshop is designed to have a lot of group involvement and then some time for reflection as well. And the combination of those 2 elements really embed the learning. And you'll get the 100-page Agile playbook that I've developed as part of that. So you'll have the tools with you when you leave, and you'll also leave with a priority of what you can do in the context of your organisation. So that's what we mean by highly interactive. So you'll leave with the tools that you can apply straight away. Okay, so now that you know the how it's delivered and how it's different to other workshops that are out there and why you need to do it, we've now got a compelling reason to find out more about how you will deliver change in an agile world.